bet your brain can't handle 5 things you didn't know. Let's test it. Ready for rapid-fire mind snacks? Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 1 heart powers the body. 2 pump blood to the gills. Bananas are berries. Strawberries aren't. Botanical plot twist. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found edible honey in ancient tombs. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes more time to rotate than to orbit the sun. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. It stacks. Natural Tetris. Romans used water clocks. Horn tutors were paid to wake up bakers. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing. She lived farther from the Great Pyramid's construction. Which fact blew your mind? Say the number. I'll drop more.